Wow, just take a look at this channel called Stick the Great. It features a simple stick figure character, and honestly, it's incredible. In every video, the same stick figure appears, talking to people, explaining things, and delivering messages in a funny, clever, and relatable way. The character always looks the same. Only the place, situation, and dialogue change. Now here's the crazy part. This TikTok channel already has 241,000 followers and over 2.1 million likes. Their first video alone crossed 5 million views. Oh my god, that's insane. What makes this niche so powerful is its simplicity. Every video looks similar, but the story, humor, and explanation change, which keeps people watching. Some videos are comedy, some are funny explanations, and others just make you smile. And that's why both young and old audiences love it. And listen carefully. This niche is going viral right now. It's not limited to TikTok only. It's also blowing up on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and many other platforms. Creators in this niche are targeting the US audience, getting millions of views, and yes, making millions of dollars. Now, my friend, here's the best part. Today, I'm going to show you how to create exactly this type of video using 2 brand new AI tools. And I promise you something important. 100% free. No credits needed. No premium subscription. No hidden cost. So please support us if you want more free AI tools and tutorials like this. Now, let's start the video. Let's go. Now, open the TikTok channel and carefully look at the thumbnails. Notice which thumbnails look the most clean, simple, and professional. Once you identify them, take a screenshot of the channel. Important. Make sure to take at least 2 to 3 clear screenshots where the main character is clearly visible. The character must be easy to see. Face, body, and style should be clear in every screenshot. After taking the screenshots, come directly to ChatGPT. There's no need to waste time writing long prompts. We'll do this the smart and fast way. Now, log into ChatGPT, and once you're logged in, upload all the screenshots you took from the channel. Then simply ask ChatGPT this. I want to create animated video shorts. Please generate prompts using the same character as shown in the image. Do not change the character at all. The face, hair, outfit, body shape, and colors must remain exactly the same in every prompt. Click Generate. ChatGPT will now give you 10 locked, consistent character image prompts, all using the exact same character, with no changes. Next, ask ChatGPT. Please also give me motion prompts. Click Generate again. Now ChatGPT will provide 10 motion prompts, perfectly matched to the image prompts, including actions, movements, and expressions. At this point, you'll have both image prompts and motion prompts ready to use. We'll use these prompts to generate images or animated videos using free AI tools. And yes, this part is very important. Don't skip this part, my friends. Now, let's go. I've added the link in the description. Simply open the website called Qwen AI. And my friends, don't skip this part of the video. First, log in using your Google ID. It's 100% free. No credits needed, no premium subscription, nothing at all. Once you're inside, take a look at the interface. It's very clean, simple, and easy to use. You'll see multiple options here. Image editing, web development, learning tools, image generation, and even video generation. Now let's start by generating an image. Simply click on Image Generation. Next, select the image ratio you want. For example, 9:16 for Shorts, or 16:9 for YouTube. After selecting the ratio, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, then return to Qwen AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Now wait for a moment. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes to generate the image, and our first image is ready. Look at the character. It's the same character as the TikTok channel. Same style, same look. This is amazing, my friends. Seriously, this is super impressive. Now copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the Qwen AI prompt box, and click Generate again. Wait for a few seconds, and the image is ready. Repeat the same process for all image prompts. You don't need to change any settings, no extra options, no confusion. Once all the images are generated, Simply download them or save them to your device. Now that our images are ready, let's convert these images into a video. Now, come back to the homepage of Qwen AI. Here you'll see the video generator option. Go ahead and click on it. First, select the video ratio. Choose 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts and Reels. Next, upload your first image. I'm uploading my first image right now. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first motion prompt, then return to Qwen AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Now wait. This process takes a bit of time, usually around 10 to 15 minutes, because it's generating a full video. But remember, my friends, it's completely free. No credits, no payment, no subscription. Let me tell you something important. Friends, this AI tool is not only for chatting. With Qwen Chat, you can generate image prompts and video prompts in seconds. Now look at this. Our first video is ready. Wow, it looks super smooth and amazing, my friends. Now we repeat the same process. I upload my second image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next motion prompt, paste it into the Qwen AI prompt box, and click Generate. We wait again. Yes, it takes some time, but the result is totally worth it. And now, look at this. Our second video is also ready.
Gather data.
The quality
Then to
is
analyze it
amazing,
carefully.
and the
Finally draw
animation looks
conclusions based
fantastic.
on evidence.
This is exactly how you create high-quality
data.
animated
Then
videos
to
using
analyze it
free AI
carefully.
tools.
Finally draw
Now
conclusions
it's time for
based
the
on
second
evidence.
tool, my friends. I've added the link in the description. Simply open Grok AI, one of the most powerful and completely free AI tools for video and image generation. Today, we'll use it for image-to-video creation. First, log in using your Google ID. After logging in, there's one important setting you must change. Go to Settings in Grok AI. Then, open Behavior, and look for Auto Video Generation. Make sure to turn it off. I've already turned it off. Now, on the left side, you'll see the Image section. Scroll down and select the Video option. Next, choose the video ratio. Select 9:16 for Shorts and Reels. Now, upload your image. I'm uploading my image right now. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt, then paste it into the Grok AI prompt box, and click Generate. Now wait for a moment. In just about 1 minute, boom, the video is ready. Wow, it looks super smooth and amazing, my friends. I absolutely love it. This tool is next level. Now repeat the same process for all images. No changes needed. Just upload the image, paste the prompt, and generate. Once all the videos are ready, download and save them to your PC. Now it's time for the final step, editing. Open CapCut on your PC. Simply import all the generated videos into CapCut. Place them on the timeline and arrange the clips in the correct order. Next, add some transitions. You can use flash fade or any other transition that fits your video style. After that, adjust the video colors, increase brightness, add a bit of sharpness, or make small corrections if needed. You can also add background music or sound effects to make the video more engaging. When everything looks good, simply export the video. Now look at the final result. It looks clean, professional, and amazing, my friends. And remember, we created this entire video using 100% free AI tools. We use two powerful free tools, Qwen AI, Grok AI. So, friends, go ahead. Use these tools, start creating videos, upload them on YouTube, and go viral. I'll see you in the next video.